Hello friends, I am here with you with my fourth video, closeness to nature. Closeness to nature can charge us. Nature is not a place to visit, it is our ultimate home. It is now known that physical connection to the earth is very important for our health and wellness. But it is very difficult to break away from our often indoor-driven lives. Work demands us to remain at our desk, and our socializing seems to have become more and more of an online experience. Today I invite you to get your hand dirty in the comfort of your own home. Simply keep a small pot next to your desk and start digging the soil with your fingers. This is the healthiest practice you carry out to expose yourself to microbes. These microbes improve your immunity and it will bring a big smile on your face. So keep smiling, keep digging, and live your life king size.